Well, guys, we finally got it on. We got the exhaust and the clear tail lights on. We had a nice cloudy weekend with no rain. And so I'm going to show you guys the comparisons with the exhaust. Basically, we got the exhaust on. Off-road, discontinued Corsa Extreme X-Pipe with the AWE track exhaust. That means we're running no secondary cats, no resonator, no mufflers. And this thing sounds crazy. It actually chops just a little bit. And obviously we have no cam. It is completely stock other than that. And we got, I can't stop looking at them, these crazy taillights. We are gonna go get Jalen's and Kamal's reaction on this. We're about to go pull up on Kamal right now, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys hear it start. It is super loud. It's like maxing out my volume, and this is on the lowest decibel setting on the mic, but I love how it sounds. The idle is crazy, it's choppy. The exhaust sits very nicely. It's not perfect, but it sits very nicely. Better than I had it on the white Corvette for sure too. I'm super satisfied with how it sounds. But next, let's go pick up Kamal, see what he thinks. I'm honestly excited because this thing is rowdy. Oh my gosh, man. I can't get over how it sounds. The idle is so nice. Like, man, I've missed this. I've really missed this. So let's go pull up on Kamal, and I'm gonna go ahead and see y'all then. Right now, Kamal, we're about to be out of his apartment here in a second.
Bro, that shit is actually way louder than the other vet, bro. Holy
I know, right?
Shit.
This is kind of crazy. The taillights look good?
Yeah. Much better, bro, than the stocks. No cap. Oh, it's good, chat. I ain't seen you on like 6,000 videos, bro. And the burble, I was just about to ask if it burbles, bro. Oh my god, dude. I actually love this car, I'm not gonna lie.
Dude, I can't get over the color even still, bro.
The color and now the exhaust with the clears. Oh my god, dude. Chat, somebody says grandpa spec in the comments of your car. Are you taking that as a compliment? I'm not. Absolutely not. So I was like, oh man.
Y'all go follow KD Reacts if you listen to country music. #1 reactor for country music, by the way. All right, guys, so we're about to go pick up Jalen. Kamal has left. We just went on a little cruise, and honestly, the exhaust sounds so good. I'm gonna see if anyone else wants to get a reaction in. Actually, let's call Scruffy, see what he's up to. All right, so we're gonna get Scruffy's reaction after Jalen's. We're gonna get Jalen's, and then we're probably gonna end the video there. All right, guys, we're like almost right outside of Jalen's right now.
Oh, it sounds good now, bro. It's got like some burbles to it, bro. Yeah. Like some crackles. sounds good, bro.
Holy shit, dude. Yeah, that thing got some torque to it.
Alright guys, so we're about a minute out from Scruffy right now.
I knew as soon as I started walking up, much louder than I remember.
I'm waiting for you to get in, bro.
Those purples I hear? Yeah. Man, I just love how I can't even hear myself think anymore. This car is just so much louder.
It moves, bro.
It does move, but I didn't expect that. Wow, the V8 torque, man. It's just something else.
Yo, chocolate bunnies, hit him up. Chocolate bunnies, hit him up.
Well, let's see if it can take charge. If the C6 don't feel like this, I don't want it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I like how this car has no sound ending. Whatever you hear is what you hear in this car. Hit a bump, you know it. Talk, guys. I don't really know how a resonator works. How does it work like
That
that?
resonates, man.
Ah, that makes sense. You got 30 grand you can give me for 01 on auction. Chat, there's a GoFundMe. Go ahead, GoFundMe. Who else did you get for the reaction?
Come on, Jalen. Everyone else got jobs. Us four are unemployed, so.
Yeah, we're all unemployed. We all use mommy and daddy's money.
Yeah. One boy pulled up in the 5 Series Beamer. What up, though?
Tired.
Look at the clear tail lights, bro.
Oh, yo. This actually looks so much better. Like, just with the red,
Yeah.
like it kind of like clashed with it, like a tomato.
And not as exciting, but also it has an exhaust, so I'll start it up, you know.
Oh, what? At 1 a.m. is crazy. Fuck the neighbors!
It's kind of loud. I feel bad a little.
What?
I feel bad a little.
What? Chomp?
Yeah, baby chop, baby chop. Rated 1 out of 10, bro.
Solid 8. The 2 missing because it ain't chopping.
Alright guys, so the camera's on 4% battery. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving on my videos. If you guys want to see any other videos with this exhaust, just let me know in the comments and let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see. I'm going to go ahead and see y'all on the next one. Toodles, bye.